Okay, so now we're on to inking. Let your character dry before doing this. If you don't, then you'll be very sad. I'm using just some regular old felt tip pens for this. This is my Tombow. It's like my favorite thing ever. I also have a Sharpie pen that I enjoy using for this. Because they're not water resistant pens, I do not lay like base inking for this. It's always a good idea to, of course, know what your things are made out of. But if you are, for instance, laying down paint, you probably want to make sure that you can achieve a clean line after the fact and not have to ink twice or go over your own lines again twice. You never know what the painting process will do. At least for myself, I haven't manufactured that sort of control. So I try to show you some pretty easy ways of getting a good piece. The thing with inking is it's kind of like telegraphing your line. You need to see it before you actually apply it. And for me, I like to a lot of times do kind of half type of lines, like not completely finish them, just using the black to emphasize certain things. So I may not go all the way up the arm. I might leave some open spaces. Now, if I do need to go back in with paint, I can. I just need to be ultra careful because this is not a water resistance type of pen. I could have probably gotten closer to some of these edges or gotten a little bit more on top of them. And then I'm drawing at an angle here, so forgive my lack of straight lines. And then I think what I enjoy doing is for like the whites, adding those afterwards. So I'm just going in with like a itsy bitsy tiny whiny brush and putting in like some highlights on the eyes to bring the life back into her. And then I'm also trying to use my white gouache as white out here to kind of relieve some of these extra pencil line mistakes that are still visible. And then I think I might just give up and do it in Photoshop or something, but it looks pretty clean even still. I could probably go harder with that. I could actually use even actual whiteout if I wanted to, but going in with pencil and then just cleaning up some areas. I forgot that she has a pocket here. I'm gonna make sure I give her a pocket. And this is a smaller, this is the Sharpie pen, which I believe is water resistant, but you know, hey, like your girl's not taking any chances, okay? Going in, reiterating some lines here to ground the character. And that is all I got for you. You can see that I think it's actually drying in real time for some of these, like the white areas, and that's why I think I'll probably go in and fix it in post, if you will. But yeah, she came along really, really well. This is, I think we're gonna leave her for the final. The colors are a little bit more vibrant in person. And that's it for inking your character.